Hi, Father Josh. It's Jackie with Salutio. I think it's going to be easier for me to answer some of your questions via a video instead of trying to type out some of these answers. The first question you have is on the Walking with Purpose page, how to change this information over here on the side. Inside the article manager, there's a series of articles that have the word side info at the end of their title. So I type in side info, I'm not finding anything. Let me try typing in walking. Um, and all I'm getting is the walking with purpose there. Okay, that makes sense. Another option under search tools would be I think there's a static category for walking with purpose. So I'm going to look at walking with purpose static. And there it is. It's just called stewardship side info because I'm assuming that page was renamed. So I'll call it walking with purpose side info. I'll leave the category. I'm going to clear this alias. And then, of course, you can change the other information that should be inside this article. So I'm going to click and save and close. And now, if we were to type in the word walking in the article manager, we should be able to find that site info article there. So I would those are my instructions for you. Your next question is that the parish contact page is different than all the other pages. It's set up as, and my screen's a little bit narrow, which is why that's wrapping to the second line. It's set up as what we call a contact because it used to have a form that would email. If you want that form activated again, we can do that, or we can go ahead and change this to be an article that you can edit, which is what I'm going to probably go ahead and do if that's okay with you. Under menus, actually I want to check the categories first and see if a category for contact or directions exists, because I will probably just combine the directions page with it does not exist. Okay, under menus, main menu, this is going to be, looks like a single article. So single article versus single contact. Change it to, I can actually create that article from this screen. I'm going to clear the formatting. It looks like there's an indent, so I want to be able to decrease that. And telephone numbers can be hyperlinked. Like so. And I assume this is fax. Shift enter is a line break versus enter is a paragraph break. And we might even say, oh, that's only giving me something. So I'm assuming there's some div tags in here versus paragraph tags. I just want this to be a new paragraph. The end of the paragraph. Another new paragraph. An end of paragraph. Okay. So now it should follow the rules for editing here. We'll give that a heading 3. Category, I'm going to put it in parish static. So I'm going to lose that picture, but I'm going to gain the ability to edit this respectively. There you go. Let's see. Otherwise, that would have been edited under where it's content or components contacts and then parish and school. See, your next question for me. Okay, you want to do let me look into what St. Thomas has. Um, I agree. That's just a screenshot on the directions page, and I'd much rather have an actual map as opposed to a picture of a map. I'm not sure why that's all that's there. So it says Catholic school. Does it say Catholic church? Okay, good. Great. And then share. We're going to embed the map. I usually do custom, copy the HTML inside of my articles. If it's okay with you, I don't know, maybe we can put that on the same page here and just reduce the number of clicks. And then to make it mobile responsive, I'm going to change my width to 100%, and I usually the height of 400 suffices. So if I save and close that, we now have, I might not have typed that correctly. Maybe I left it at 10%. I guess this video will tell. 100 pixels. Okay, there we go. Much better. Okay. Gotcha. Why on the front page of the website, when indenting, copying and pasting, etc., things turn gray in various colors and sizes of text, even if the button is clicked to clear formatting when it is published. If you're copying and pasting from somewhere else into an article, kind of like I did with that contact us one a moment ago, there could be some hidden HTML that's causing the changing of colors and fonts, though there are some default ones for the site, default colors and fonts for the site. You did, I'm sorry, it's been a week since you sent me that email. Hopefully this information is helpful and we can discuss further if needed. Actually, oh, one more thing. I was going to take away under menus, main menu. I want to just take away the directions, if that's okay. I do need to check. Okay, the directions is not linked in the footer, but sometimes we link it to that page. So hope this is helpful, Father Josh. Look forward to chatting with you if you have further questions. Take care and God bless.